and I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always post.
Good morning, Palette Therapy family. How y'all doing today? In today's vlog, I will be just taking you guys through my day. It is Saturday here. It is Juneteenth, so I plan on going to the Juneteenth festival that my town is having. But before that, my husband has a photo shoot this morning, so I'll show you guys a little bit of that, and then of course I have to film, so I'll show you guys a little bit of my setup as far as how I set my makeup up to record. I'm gonna try to record 2 videos today, but we will see how that goes. But I just wanted to take you guys along the day with me, so you can get to know me a little bit better and just kind of see how things are in my life. So yeah, so I don't know if you guys remember my pup from like a year ago, because next month it'll be a year I've been recording. But look how big she's gotten. Say hey, Nala. And I've gotten another little baby since then. She is a Chihuahua and Pomeranian mix, and her name is Rory. She's the feisty one of the bunch. Trying to teach her how to control that Chihuahua. So normally when I record, I like to use natural lighting. So I have my blinds open, and I bring out this fold-out table to lay all my products on. I'm going to try to do a natural hair care video today. That's why you guys see natural hair care products. But I do also have a vanity in which I keep my makeup. And so I normally just take the products that I plan on using and I move them to the table and I record from there. And in this tub I have all of my eyeshadow palettes, and then this tub I have eyelashes and other face products. I want to find a storage bin, or not necessarily a storage bin, but some type of storage to make this look neater. Granted, I went through last night and straightened everything up, so you're probably like, it looks neat, but I need it to be more easily accessible and just to spice my corner up a little bit. Okay, excuse me y'all, I look a little rough, but we are at our first location where my husband is taking pictures at, which is our downtown area. He's taking some pictures of his baby sister, so yeah, let's get into it. So I just got a package in from Makeup Revolution. This is my first time ordering specifically from their website. They had a nice sale going. So this is some highlighter, eyeshadow palette. Actually, it's a face palette. Can't wait to see what that looks like. Some lip glosses. A concealer, if the camera would focus, and this is eyebrow pen. Focus, camera. So yeah, go and check out their sale. They have a really good sale going on right now. Different products. I shall be trying to incorporate these into my makeup routine, because I want to start trying more stuff. It's hard to deviate away from stuff that you really like, that you already know works, but I do want to start trying more stuff, so I'm excited about that. So yeah.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Okay guys, so I'm back at home. I'm a little sweaty, my face is a little sticky. It was pretty warm outside. Got me a little Sonic drink. If you haven't tried Sonic's Great Limeade, what are you waiting for? Go try it. But that concludes today's festivities. I'm about to watch a little intervention. Also, if you hadn't watched, it's this show. Dang it, what is the name of it? Different Sides of Jane or something like that on A&E. Go watch it. If you're interested in dissociative identity disorder, which used to be known as multiple personality disorder, there's this woman named Jane Hart. She has 9 personalities, and you get to see things through her eyes and through her personality's eyes, and it's really, really interesting. So I suggest you go and watch it. But that concludes today's festivities. I'm about to watch intervention and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. Thanks for tagging along with me. I hope you guys had a good Juneteenth, celebrating out, you know, doing what we do. All right, I'll catch you in my next video.
Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know that